The future. It's a mysterious place full of possibilities and uncertainties. We all wonder what tomorrow holds. Will it bring joy, success, fulfillment? The truth is, the future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we actively create. Each day we make countless decisions, big and small. These decisions, like tiny brushstrokes, paint the masterpiece of our lives. Think about it. Every choice, from the moment we wake up, sets us on a particular path. Do we hit the snooze button or jump out of bed? Grab a donut or a healthy breakfast, scroll through social media or read a book? These seemingly insignificant choices add up over time, shaping the course of our days, our years, and ultimately, our lives. The power of the present moment is immense. It's easy to get caught up in regrets about the past or worries about the future, but the only time we have real control is right now. By making conscious, deliberate decisions in the present, we steer ourselves towards the future we desire. We hold the reins of our destiny. This is both empowering and a little daunting, isn't it? The future is not preordained. It's a blank canvas waiting for us to make our mark. Embrace this power. Embrace the present moment. The future is yours to create. We often think of life-changing decisions as monumental, like choosing a career path, getting married, or moving to a new city. These decisions are indeed significant and can shape the trajectory of our lives in profound ways. They are the milestones we often look back on, the moments we believe define us. While these are undoubtedly significant, it's crucial to remember the impact of our daily, seemingly mundane choices. These small decisions, often overlooked, accumulate over time and can lead to substantial changes in our lives. They are the building blocks of our future selves. Just like a wall is built brick by brick, our lives are constructed from the small choices we make every day. Imagine two people who both aspire to be healthier. They start with the same goal, but their approaches differ significantly. Person A decides to take the stairs instead of the elevator a couple of times a week. This small act, though it may seem trivial, begins to add up. They swap out sugary drinks for water occasionally. This choice, repeated over time, starts to make a noticeable difference in their overall health. These are small changes, almost unnoticeable in the grand scheme of things, yet they are the seeds of transformation. However, Person B continues their usual routine, thinking they'll make drastic changes someday. They believe that a big, sweeping change is what they need to achieve their goals. Fast forward a year, and the difference in their health outcomes might be surprising. Person A, through their small, consistent choices, has made significant progress. Person A, through consistent small choices, has cultivated healthier habits. These habits have become a part of their daily routine, leading to a healthier lifestyle. They've gradually increased their activity levels and improved their diet. Each small step has built upon the last, creating a foundation for lasting change. Person B, on the other hand, might be further away from their goal, wondering where the time went. They may feel frustrated, realizing that the drastic change they were waiting for never came. This principle applies to every area of life. Whether it's finances, fitness, or personal growth, small, consistent actions are the key to success. Want to be a writer? Write a page a day. Over time, those pages will add up to a book. Dream of learning a new language? Study for 15 minutes each morning. Those minutes will accumulate, and before you know it, you'll be conversing fluently. Small, consistent actions compounded over time lead to extraordinary results. Just like a plant grows from a seedling to a full-grown plant, our efforts grow into achievements. We often overestimate the importance of single, grand gestures and underestimate the power of consistent daily actions. It's the daily grind, the small efforts that truly shape our lives. Remember, the future is not created in one grand gesture, but in the small, seemingly insignificant choices we make each day. These choices, though small, are powerful. Don't underestimate the power of the present moment. Each moment is an opportunity to make a choice that will shape your future. Embrace the small choices, for they are the true architects of your destiny. The butterfly effect, a concept from chaos theory, suggests that a small change in one place can have a significant impact elsewhere. This idea is often illustrated by the metaphor of a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil, potentially causing a tornado in Texas. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of events and how minor actions can lead to major consequences. This principle is evident in countless real-life stories, showcasing how seemingly insignificant decisions have led to remarkable outcomes. From everyday choices to pivotal moments, the ripple effects of our actions can shape our destinies in ways we might never have imagined. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, the author of the beloved Harry Potter series. Her journey to success is a testament to the power of perseverance and the impact of seemingly small decisions. Before finding success as an author, Rowling was a single mother struggling financially. She faced numerous challenges, from raising her child alone to dealing with the pressures of making ends meet. The idea for Harry Potter came to her during a delayed train journey. This moment of inspiration, seemingly trivial at the time, would eventually lead to the creation of one of the most successful book series in history. She spent the next 5 years meticulously planning and writing the first book, facing numerous rejections from publishers before finally finding success. Each rejection could have been a reason to give up, but she chose to persist. Imagine if Rowling had dismissed that initial spark of an idea or given up after facing rejection. The world would have missed out on the magical adventures of Harry Potter, and millions of readers would have been deprived of a beloved story. Her decision to persevere, to keep writing and refining her craft, despite the challenges, led to the creation of a magical world that has captivated millions of readers worldwide. Her story is a powerful reminder that our dreams are worth fighting for, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. Another inspiring example is Oprah Winfrey, a global media leader and philanthropist. Her rise to fame and influence is a story of resilience and the power of seizing opportunities. Winfrey's journey began in rural Mississippi, facing poverty and hardship. Despite these challenging beginnings, she never let her circumstances define her future. However, her unwavering determination and a series of fortunate events, starting with a job at a local radio station, propelled her towards a remarkable career. Each step she took, each opportunity she embraced, brought her closer to her dreams. Winfrey's story is a testament to the power of seizing opportunities and never giving up on your dreams, no matter how challenging the circumstances. Her success is a beacon of hope for many, showing that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. These stories, along with countless others, highlight the unpredictable and often serendipitous nature of life. They remind us that every decision we make, no matter how small, can have far-reaching consequences. We never know how one decision, one conversation, or one seemingly insignificant event might set in motion a chain reaction that leads to extraordinary results. It's a reminder to stay open to possibilities, to embrace the unexpected, and to believe in the power of our actions to shape our future. Our lives are a collection of our habits. These habits, whether good or bad, are the building blocks of our daily existence. They shape who we are and who we become over time. The decisions we make repeatedly, often without conscious thought, shape our daily routines, our health, our relationships, and ultimately our future. Every small choice, from what we eat to how we spend our free time, contributes to the larger picture of our lives. Understanding the power of habit is crucial for making positive changes in our lives. By recognizing the patterns that govern our behavior, we can take control and steer ourselves towards a more fulfilling and productive path. Think about your morning routine. This seemingly mundane sequence of actions can have a profound impact on the rest of your day. Do you hit the snooze button multiple times before dragging yourself out of bed, or do you wake up early and start the day with a clear mind? The way you begin your morning can set the tone for everything that follows. The first hour of your day often sets the tone for the rest of it. A positive start can lead to a productive and fulfilling day, while a sluggish beginning can make everything feel like an uphill battle. If you begin your day with positive habits like exercise, meditation, or a healthy breakfast, you set yourself up for success. These small actions can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall well-being. You're more likely to make healthier choices throughout the day if you start with a nutritious breakfast. This can lead to better eating habits, more energy, and a greater sense of accomplishment. The key to building good habits and breaking bad ones is to focus on small, incremental changes. These tiny adjustments may seem insignificant at first, but over time, they can lead to significant improvements. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire life overnight, start with a tiny habit that's easy to stick to. This could be something as simple as drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, or taking a 5-minute walk each day. For example, if you want to read more, commit to reading just 1 page every day. This small commitment can gradually build into a more substantial reading habit. Once that becomes second nature, gradually increase the amount. Before you know it, you'll be reading entire books and enjoying the benefits of this enriching habit. Remember, building new habits takes time and effort. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. There will be days when you slip up or feel like giving up. It's important to recognize that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. The important thing is to keep going. Don't let a small setback derail your progress. Instead, use it as a learning experience and a motivation to keep pushing forward. Don't let a small setback derail your progress. Each challenge you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. Each day is a new opportunity to make a positive change. Embrace the chance to start fresh and make better choices. The choices we make today, especially those we repeat day after day, determine the person we become tomorrow. By being mindful of our habits, we can shape our future in a positive way. By cultivating positive habits, we invest in our future selves, paving the way for a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. The effort we put in today will pay off in the long run, leading to a better version of ourselves.